Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about facial nerve. So first of all, we will go through the diagram once. So we have, this is medulla, pons medullary junction. So the facial nerve originates from the lower pons and it will have the first nerve through the geniculate ganglion. So it will relay in pterygopalatine ganglion. Now the first is the greater petrosal nerve. Alright, just give me a second. So this is first branch, which is the greater petrosal nerve. Also there is one more which joins it. This is deep petrosal nerve of pterygoid canal. Now pterygopalatine, after that it will be supplying the lacrimal gland. Alright, then coming on to the second, which is the nerve to stapedius. Alright, then there is one more, which is our cauda tympani nerve. It basically supplies the tongue. Also it supplies the sublingual gland and submandibular gland. And here we have submandibular ganglion, then supplies the submandibular ganglion, right? Then we have, what happens is, then it passes through the stylomastoid foramen and then it gives three branches. All right, one is the posterior auricular branch, then is the branch to the stylohyoid, and posterior belly of digastric. Now you need to know that in during all this there will be one more branch which will be the, all these are sensory. Now there is one branch which is going to go like this. Sorry for the bad diagram. So yeah, so yeah, so this is the motor branch, and it will give 5 branches. So the first one being the temporal, zygomatic, then we have marginal mandibular and cervical, and we have, I think, maxillary, no, upper buccal. So yes, so these are the branches and this is our parotid gland. Alright, so I hope I made it easier, but now I will just help you to remember this using a schematic diagram. So first of all, you need to know that in the facial nerve, now after all this diagram, you will be basically it will be easy for you to make out what is the schematic diagram about the one that I'm drawing. So first of all, you have to know that there is going to be three divisions of the facial nerve, right? One is going to be within the canal, then it is going to be after exiting the stylomastoid foramen, and then it is going to be the motor branch. All right, now just let me write this. It is the stylomastoid foramen. All right, now first branch in facial nerve, within canal. Now within canal it gave three branches, right? First one which I told you was the greater petrosal nerve. Then I told you that there is nerve to stapedius. Then I talked about there is chorda tympani. Okay. Then there is second division which is exits stylomastoid foramen. Again there are three branches, so all are muscular, basically supplying the muscle. So the first one that I told you was about posterior auricular branch. Then I told about the stylohyoid, nerve to stylohyoid. And then nerve to posterior belly of digastric. Now why posterior? Because second arch derivative, also anterior belly is supplied by the mandibular nerve, right? Then third is the one which enters the parotid gland, that segment. Now there were five branches, right? Temporal, zygomatic, buccal, marginal mandibular, and cervical. So I hope I made facial nerve easier for you to understand. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.